Meaning of flagship.
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 Flagship. Flagship refers to the best or most important product, service, or location within a particular company or organization. It is often used to describe the highest quality products or services offered by a company or organization. Flagship products are typically associated with superior quality and performance, while flagship locations are often considered to be the most important and prestigious physical sites of the company or organization. In summary, flagship denotes the pinnacle of excellence in terms of a company's offerings or its physical locations.